Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'd like to show you my Sinatra assessment for the Learn Verified program. I'm running my app on a local host using the shotgun gem. When a user enters the app, the first thing they'll see is this home page. It allows them to either log in if they already have an account or sign up with a new one. I'm going to go ahead and click login. Here they can enter their own password. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a test. And then you'll see if they try to log in without a password, it'll ask them to please fill out the field before continuing. So I'll go ahead and enter a password. This is a user's home screen. They have a number of options that they can, of things they can access throughout the app. The first thing that they could do is take a look at books that they have. They can either add a new book to their collection by clicking here or view a list of their current collections. So let's go ahead and add a new book. And we'll add in a book called Betsy Tacy by Maud Hart Lovelace. This is historical fiction. When a user enters a new book, it will automatically take them to the show page for that book. This is where they can see the basic book information. They can click here if they've made a mistake and need to edit the title. They also have some options to either log out of their session or to return back to the user's home page. So let's go back to the home page. And we can click here to see a list of our current books. And now we can see that Betsy Tacy has been added on to the list of books that we have. If we're finished looking at our books and we'd like to see a list of students instead, we could click here. We have another option to add a new book into our collection or return to the home page. If a teacher wants to work with her current students, then the next section allows her to either add a new student or see a list of students instead. So let's go ahead and add a new student to our class. We'll add Jonah. And again, it will take you to the student's main page. So if we've made a mistake in spelling their name, we could click here to edit it. Or if we have a student that has moved or left the class, we can click delete to remove the student from our class. Looking at a list of our current students, we can see that there are 3 children in there right now. And again, we have an option to add a new person here as well. Then we get to maybe the most important part, which is where a teacher can check out a book to a student. So if I click here under loans, I've tried to make it easy for teachers by just giving them some radio buttons to choose from instead of making them type anything in. So let's say that Oscar wants to check out Close to Famous. I just click on the book title, the student's name, and click checkout. And now it tells me Close to Famous is currently checked out. And when a student returns a book, then I can also click here to check in the book. And then when the user is finished, they can click here to end their session. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.